These are all those memories which are stored in our subconscious mind, which just comes at the surface and we are not able to see because we've not healed them. That's again another subject altogether, where everything that we've stored, all these memories, unwanted memories that we've stored, kind of heal them. If we don't heal them, what we are doing is they just come to us when we least expect and we don't know how to handle them. And one of the times being meditation. When we sit to meditate, all those memories just come at the surface and we don't know what to do with them. It's very difficult today for us to sit with ourselves. I've observed the time when we say we'll just sit with ourselves, you know what we end up doing? Because we can't sit with ourselves today, because there's so much in the memories which we've not healed. And meditation, what it only does is slowly starts healing those memories and those emotions. It surfaces. It surfaces, yeah. And we have to be patient and loving enough with ourselves to kind of, it's okay. This is what I'm feeling. And support from the family, allowing that person to, allowing them to kind of coming up with those emotions. And it's beautiful to see that so many of you have come with your family and your partners, family members and your partners. Because this journey, when it's along with your family, it's the most beautiful. Alone is beautiful because ultimately it's the inner work that we do. But when we have people along with us who are working on the same thing, it's wonderful. It's really beautiful. Yeah, so congratulations to everyone who's come with their partners and families. You're already very close. You've already started journey on a very beautiful note. Yeah. So first step, becoming aware. Second, bringing your attention to the present moment. Once you've done this, you've already slowed down the vehicle of your mind. Now there is that gap, that space, that feeling of relaxation. And third and most important, where the healing actually happens, is creating the right thoughts. What is that right thought? Very simple. Okay, let us all together for next 5 seconds create just one thought. Are we ready? Your back straight again. Very, very relaxed. Let us all sitting here in this beautiful place create just one thought. That thought is, I am a peaceful being. I am a peaceful being. Peace is what remains. That is it. That I can feel very deeply in this moment. I am a peaceful being. Slowly, you can open your eyes, but continue to be in that feeling of peace. Thought, feeling, experience. Cycle, and these experiences is what gets stored in our subconscious.